Okay, here we are. We just did a fresh rebuild kit on 95 Spec Miata race car in our shop. And this has a 99 transmission in it with a 99 shifter. So you'll see everything is real tight, no circular slop, as you'll see when there's no bushing in there when it's disintegrated. So back and forth motion, real tight. Gear throws can be done really harsh. First through fifth, then reverse. You can't ever really go from fifth to reverse. It's just a lockout on the transmission. So if you've installed your bushing and feel that it doesn't go from fifth to reverse, it's not supposed to. So the proper way is to get it neutral and make sure it's in the middle of the gate, and then over and down. You'll feel it click. So fifth to reverse, not gonna happen. It's gotta be in the middle of the gate, pure neutral. Over, you might have to flick it a little bit, especially when it's brand new, and then down.